We are back. We're going to hit that nice spot we did yesterday. Just wanted to show you how beautiful a packed donkey looks. It's all girdled up, saddles on, and isn't it beautiful? Now this is going to be the access road. We're going to stoop around this corner and get down there and get back into it. Alright, so the donkey was a 10 out of 10 idea. I'm glad we've bought a new donkey. It's made life easier. Now you can see the hole we're working on, or that we touched up yesterday. I was actually thinking this here might just be its own rock, which I'm pretty sure it is. It's all moving, so we're going to have to find the bar in here, and we're going to come along and pretty much see if it's given us the goods today. I can't see how it won't with the size of these rocks, but we'll keep it nice and simple. Let's just see some gold. Alright, now here's a really good example of what we look for. You see how I said we were chasing a bar? Now this is the bar here, and it's actually got, a big quartz stringer in it there. Not sure if that's what they were chasing, but they would have seen that. But in these cracks here, look at that, a nice smoky little quartz. Over here we've got another one. Beautiful little rollers. Now, I bet there would be little bits of gold in these cracks if you could just clear them out. No, we're not going to get a good look, but look, these are the cracks that we hope, whoops, camera's messing up. These are the cracks we go chasing for. You see these rocks just all stuck in there? Little crackers. So we'll clean out all these cracks here into the bucket, and this is where a lot of it's going to come from today, I think. Just off these bedrock bits, straight off the face of it down there. Whoop. Oh well, we'll pick them up in a sec, and we'll run these and see what we're onto. What it looks like. It's all the yummy stuff just straight off the bottom there. You can even see in here heaps of nice big quartz. So this is going to be good. Alright, so that's our first 3 buckets done. We kind of came across this way a little bit. We'll see how it gets. If it doesn't get any good, we'll have to come across this way a bit. But rock size was a lot bigger over that side than it was on this side. So we're hoping good things. We've got 3 buckets. And again, we've got the sluice set up. Now if you haven't seen it before, it's a very easy DIY manual low banker system. So use it down the creek in all your state forests in New South Wales, as far as we know.
Think about your day and
I'll try and get some little happy snaps. We definitely got some gold in here. Take this tripod arm off and we'll stick this in there. So we've got that one there. A couple little bits up here, a couple more chunkers over there, but we'll have to let that dry. We might actually do a pan, but we'll get some more buckets going because it does look pretty good. And let's hope they get bigger. Alright, so quick update. I did a test pan on this side and it kind of showed me no specks. Did one on that side and it showed me about 4 specks. So we've gone ahead and moved a bunch of rocks off the top. Just placed them over here because this is going to be our hole for a minute. Let's see if it gets any better. 2 freshies. Let's run it. Alright, we are pretty much full in the buckets, but I was going to film just these last few because I want to explain that now that we're on this bedrock bar here, it doesn't actually end here, it slides out over this way, so the end is over here, so it's dropping off really hard and deep. That's where we moved a lot of these big rocks, so we're hoping this is the spot down this back end here and into the wall over there. So we'll set it up, get some shovels out so we see the depth, and then we'll run these. It's still into the clays and the gravels. It's looking good. There we go, that dropped off a bit deeper. There we go. There's those muds that we're looking for. Alright, so we've got the next buckets loaded. Now we are actually going to pan this mat because I can see it's pretty loaded with some fines. So we're going to check this out and you'll be able to see what we've got in those first 2, 3. Alright, now I'm not sure how well you're going to see that, but tip some water out. We'll take it home and do these again, but there we go, that's our first mat. There, it's not too much, but look, there's a few bits there. Can't complain with that. So hopefully these next 2 are going to give us just as much, and hopefully we can do 2 more. And that'll be us probably for the day. Go home and go for a fish if there's enough time. Excellent. Alright, let's set it up again and we'll keep going. Alright, so we've just run those other 2. We've got 2 more lined up. We did find one nice little piece of pickerish kind of gold. Just pulled him off the mat because we're not going to change the mat, we're just going to run it again. That's the hole. It ended up sliding off that bedrock and just continuing off. So I don't think we actually got to the bottom, but just enough to do some nipper pumps. Now we do this last thing. A couple more. Jeffro's buggered. Yeah, we're going to go fishing, so let's wrap this up and go get some tucker. Alright, just filling up the tubs. We've been blessed with a beautiful sun shower this afternoon and everything's absolutely soaked. It's been awesome. Now, we're going to see what kind of gold we got. Now the best bit, we're going to clean it up. My favourite part. I reckon we could go a little bit more, Jeffro. We might just tilt this up one more. Right, we'll fix that up. Thunder's rolling. Got some nice gold showing there already. hopefully this will be good. We'll just skip through it. Yeah, we're going to just check out the mats before we pan them out. You know, it's all right. Now, we dug pretty deep, and I don't know, I was expecting a little bit more, to be honest. Getting that thunderstorm now, so we'll try and wrap this up pretty quick. Alright, so that is what is hiding down off the back of that bar.